If you're a content creator and you've been looking for ways to get your tax identification number, then this video is for you. Even if you've already registered and you've not gotten it, then you must watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get your TIN without registering your business with CAC. This is tax for individuals, and you're going to get your TIN like the way I got mine and how I helped others to get their own too. You are going to register without paying anything, and it is for free. If this is your first time you are coming across my channel, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. But before I proceed, let me do introduction. My name is Esther Oluwafemi, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to make money online legally, and how to better your personal finance. If you are interested in this my contents, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me a like in order to let YouTube to push it out to other people that also want to learn how to get their TIN easily. Yes, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get it easily. Even when you've already registered like some weeks ago, you can still get it with one format that I use, and I got it the next day. So let us dive into the video. So the first thing to do here is that you have to click the link in the description of this video to bring you to this particular page. This is Joint Tax Board website for you to register your TIN, which is your tax identification number. So the first one is BVN, that is your bank verification number. You have to put it here. You have to put your BVN right here, because if you put the wrong BVN, you won't be able to register anything on this website. So put your BVN, your DOB, which is your date of birth. This is your date of birth. You have to click, here for it to go to where your year and your date and your month is. So there's nowhere to automatically set it. You cannot do that. You have to search, you go back to where your year is and then do it. So your first name, the way it is on your BVN, put it right here, and your surname. After that, click on this box, box that is showing I am not a robot, and then do the captcha. Then after that, click on search. After clicking on search, then you are going to move to the next page. So the next page, you are going to put your home address, your NIN number. That is your NIN, the number on your NIN slip, and your passport photograph. It's not a must for you to have a passport. You can just use your phone to snap yourself, then put your picture there, just put it there. So after that, put your phone number, your home address, and everything, then just submit. So after doing that, you are going to get a mail from Joint Tax Board, and let me show it to you here. And on the 29th of June, I created my own, and then they sent me this immediately after creating it, and they sent me a request ID. This request ID can be used to track up your application if it is ready or not. So your individual team creation requests have been submitted successfully. So after getting this 29th of June, they sent me this. Luckily for you, can get it 3 days after. You can't even get it immediately, or maybe some minutes or hours after doing that, because I helped some people to do it, and maybe after 4 to 5 hours they were able to get it. But remember, I did mine on the 29th of June and I did not get it. So on the 11th of July, I tried to send them a mail to know if it is ready or not, because I could not even track it up again. So I sent them this. I am writing to follow up on my tax identification number application, and I submitted on the 29th of June 2024. I am here to receive my TIN, but I have my request ID to track up my application. Please assist me in checking the status of my application and provide an update on when I can expect my TIN. Thanks for your attention. So I have to put my request ID for them to help me track it up. That was on the 11th of July. So on the 12th of July, my TIN came. This is my TIN, and then this is my TIN certificate. So it came the next day after writing them to know what's up. So if you want to do it this way, you can always do it this way. Just send it to them. If the delay is too much for you to bear, you can always send them a mail to follow up on your request. And this is what I did. So the next day, I got it straight up in my mailbox. So you can use this your thing to get money from your Facebook payment, your YouTube. If you're a content creator, we're all here to make money. So I don't want us to work in vain. Do you understand? So if you found this video valuable, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment where you're watching me from. I want to make new friends. And if you want to join the community where we make more money in my WhatsApp, my community on my Telegram, you can always make sure to find the link in the description of this video to join us, where I share more money making updates and also do monthly giveaways to my genuine subscribers and viewers. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Until the next time.